Do you see that person there? That's me, during one of the intensives in Miami, Florida. My name is Yesenia, and I'm his wife and partner in Seven Figure Agency. Our goal at the Seven Figure Agency is to unlock your digital marketing agency's multi-million-dollar growth potential. And we do everything designed with you, the determined and ambitious agency owner, in mind. But let's talk about the intensives, where we coach, train, and collaborate on the best techniques to scale your agency that are working well right now in this market. Learn how to maximize your marketing to land clients on a consistent basis. Improve operations to deliver amazing, scalable results for your clients that work. And foster long-term client relationships so they stay with you for years. The uniqueness of the live events are in our speakers and topics that come from our special community of top-level agencies who are killing it in the agency space and are passionate to show others by pulling back the curtain and showing you step-by-step how they did it. But don't take our word for it. Check out what others have to say about the intensives.
By coming to Seven Figure Agency, my business was able to just grow and blow up. There is nothing out there in this industry that will really help a business grow and prosper like this Seven Figure Agencies.
If you join Seven Figure Agency, you get great coaching, you get great strategies and tools, and you get an amazing peer group of people who are like-minded and facing similar challenges with you. I think it's the best decision you can make as a digital marketing agency owner.
Join the next intensive, whether you're at 50K or multiple seven figures. We have the coaches, community, and resources you need to unlock your maximum potential and scale your agency to new heights. Can't wait to see you at the next intensive.